Big changes are coming to USCIS in October 2025. For the first time, the agency that handles green cards and citizenship will have its own armed special agents. These agents won't review applications. They'll have the power to investigate, make arrests, and even recommend prosecution. So what does this mean for you? How could it impact your green card or citizenship application? And what steps should you take to protect yourself? In this video, I'll walk you through everything step by step, so keep watching till the very end. Hello, everyone. I'm Erick Widman, an attorney at Passage Immigration Law. We have offices in Oregon, Washington, and California. You can visit our website at passage.law to set up a consultation or subscribe to our free newsletter for regular updates, tips, and the latest immigration insights. So first off, what's really changing under this new USCIS rule? Starting in October 2025, USCIS will add federal law enforcement special agents to its staff. These agents, apparently called 1811s, are in the same category as FBI and ICE investigators. So what does that mean in practice? They'll have the authority to carry firearms, execute warrants, and make arrests. According to USCIS, the main goal is to investigate immigration fraud, including behaviors like fake marriages, false documents, and misrepresenting your identity or immigration status. In the past, cases like this were usually sent to ICE. Now, USCIS agents will be able to handle investigations from start to finish. That means they can spot and address potential fraud faster and more directly while your application is being reviewed. Now, how could these new enforcement powers affect you as an immigrant? For most applicants, interviews will feel the same, but the overall atmosphere at USCIS could shift. You may notice armed officers at field offices, and interviews with red flags like suspected fraud can start to feel more like investigation. Another major change is that the USCIS director now has authority to order expedited removal in certain situations. While this power is limited, it raises the stakes for people who don't have legal status or who may have entered the U.S. unlawfully. Director of USCIS, Joseph Edlow, said, "This historic moment will better address immigration crimes, hold those that perpetrate immigration fraud accountable. But in practice, the added law enforcement presence may intimidate families with legitimate cases and discourage immigrants from applying for the benefits they deserve." So what should you do to protect yourself? Number one, get legal advice before you file. If you've had an overstay, multiple entries, arrests, or past immigration issues, talk to an attorney first. Sometimes it's better to wait or take a different path, and a lawyer can help you decide the safest and best option. Number two, have an immigration attorney accompany you to your USCIS interview. An experienced lawyer can guide you through the process, answer questions, and make sure your rights are protected throughout the interview. Having legal support can make a big difference if any issues come up. Number three, be completely truthful. Misrepresentation is one of the fastest ways to get denied or flagged for enforcement. If your past includes mistakes, address them. Number four, prepare strong evidence. For marriage cases, gather joint leases, taxes, bank accounts, insurance, and photos showing your real life together. For employment cases, make sure your job duties and wages are well documented. Weak or missing evidence can raise red flags. Number five, know your rights. If an interview ever feels like a criminal investigation, remember, you can ask, am I free to leave? You have the right to remain silent and request an attorney. Never sign anything you don't fully understand. The addition of armed USCIS special agents doesn't mean that everyone applying for a green card or citizenship is suddenly at risk of arrest. Most applicants with honest, straightforward cases will continue without any issues. However, USCIS now has more enforcement power than ever. That's why preparing carefully, being accurate, seeking legal guidance when needed is more important than ever. If you'd like help with your case, call or text us 503-427-8243 or visit passage.law to schedule a consultation. If you know someone who might be affected by this change, please share this video because information is power. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Knowing how the system works is key to succeeding in it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.